Today I will show you some colors of student budget. So let's get started. This is a set of 12 shades of acrylic markers, price at 250 taka. Here is Dom's color pencils, 24 shades, price at 230 taka. Then set of oil pastels, 25 shades, price 240 taka. And also free one scraping tool. Here is 25 shades, Dom's tempera color, 18 shades, price 75 taka. Now I will show you the colors nicely. This is black color, white color, brown color, pink color, yellow color, red color. Now show you all pastels. This is orange color. Look at this swatch. And pink color. Wow. And blue color. Look at these pencil colors. That's amazing. I am showing these colors nicely and enjoying it very much.